In this video I'm going to show you how to use a straight edge to draw a accurate line segment. I can use either a ruler with markings on it or just a metal straight edge itself with no markings, and here is a tiny ruler that happens to be 6 inches long. The longest one is 18 inches long and it is made out of stainless steel, and on the back of it there's cork. The cork serves two purposes. One, it offsets the metal from the surface of the cork so that when I let this down on the table, ink won't bleed underneath the edge if I'm running a pen across there. Further, this cork acts as an anti-slip material, so when I set the ruler down and try to slide it, it wants to grip. Let's try it. If I flip it over, it slides around very easily. So you can use the ruler either with the markings down or the markings up, depending on whether you want to slide this around or have it fixed rigidly in place. The straight edge is just a strip of aluminum that has been cut to act as a line drawing tool where you don't need any kind of markings. Most of the time I'm not using markings at all, I'm simply just drawing a line. So in the case of this video though, I'm going to use the smallest one because it fits easily on the paper where I'm trying to draw. So I'm going to show you two different versions of drawing this. One is with a pencil with a very fine tip, and then the other is with a felt tip pen with a fat tip. So the fine tip pencil, I'll put 2 points here that are very small, and I'm going to draw a line between the two. So what I do is that I use the tip of the pencil itself as a pivot on one of these 2 points. So I'm going to use the one over here and then align the straight edge to it, and you notice that I can now pivot the straight edge to align it to the other point. Now this is an important aspect of trying to get these aligned, is that the diameter of this pencil is not 0, so therefore the straight edge goes to the side of it, not the center of it. So I have to line the other edge up with the side of that point, not the center of it. And I can come over here and check it. Does it look like it's aligned? If it does, draw between the two, and you can see that I got a very accurate alignment. To demonstrate that in a more visible way, I'm going to make 2 points with the felt tip pen and try the same thing. Okay, now you can see that those are much fatter than the pencil, and if I set this point of the marker down, you can see that I'm resting on the side of that marker, and I have to make sure I'm on the side of that dot over here. So I'm going to go over there, check it. Does it look like it's aligned? It does. Draw between them, and I get an accurate line even with the felt tip pen, and you can see that that has bled out, but it's still right in the middle. That's how you use a straight edge to draw an accurate line.